live. Let me just check for a bit. According to my sources, yes, we are. Are we gonna watch a movie? No. No, we're not. No, we're not. Check this out. Ah, doesn't show. There should be like a ghost. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the controller down and the headset down. I'm gonna test the quality of my stream. I'm gonna check the sound, my voice, the game audio. This game tends to get really high, loud audio, so it might overpower me. So I may have to fix that during the game. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna put the headset down. I'm gonna check the quality, and be right back. And I'm back. Okay, that didn't take long because I pre-tweeted everything. I never did that before. Pre-tweeting my streams. I hate doing that. I like to tweet when I'm actually live. Part of my OCD. I'm gonna have a sip. Oh no, I don't want this. You're gonna get me a copyright lawsuit thing. All right. I am good to go. I will not talk during the cutscenes because they're awesome. It's like watching a movie. So yeah, this is like the sequel to... It's like the third movie, pretty much. Let's go. I'm gonna start a new game. I'm gonna go for casual. I'm gonna go for casual. I don't feel like struggling. Oh, I'm gonna be lost. I know. Here we go. Let's go. I love this game so much.
Are you troubled by strange noises in the night?
Do you experience feelings of dread in your basement or attic?
Have you or your family actually seen a spook, specter, or ghost?
If the answer is yes, then don't wait another minute.
Just pick up the phone and call the professionals.
Call the Ghostbusters. We're ready to believe you.
Franchises available soon. Call for details.
Whoa! Russell, hey man.
You near the East Wing?
Yep.
But by the new Ghoster exhibit?
Yeah, why?
There's something headed your way.
Wait. I hear something. I'm gonna take a look.
Want to hear something really creepy? I was reading about Shandor, the guy who donated most of the Gozer stuff. He was into the occult, supernatural. Weird dude.
Well, why don't we talk about it some other time? Any other time. Hey, you can't be in here. Stop!
Strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
There we go. I love this game so much.
Ghostbusters. Is your haunting an apparition, poltergeist, phantasm, wraith, banshee, demon, spectre, tortured soul? What? No, we do not summon dead family members and catch them, so you can ask the combination to the safe. Yeah, well, same to you, pal.
Hey, it's the new cadet. Welcome aboard.
This might be a little dangerous.
Great.
Danger is our life.
We'll start at 50% capacity. That should keep any burning or tissue damage to a minimum.
Hey, if you're gonna burn any tissue, do it to the new kid. You can't use Ray. Our mortgage is in his name.
I guess he's right. What's your name again, kid?
No names, Ray. I don't want to get too attached to this kid. You know, just in case. You remember what happened to the last guy.
He's tuned and ready to go.
You may feel a little tingle. Good. We've perfected an extensive and rigorous training regimen that will teach you all your equipment's basic functions.
It takes some time to achieve master throw skill, but it's definitely worth the effort.
Was that us?
I don't think so.
Ray?
Had to be some sort of psi energy pulse. Substantial, a significant collected and centralized necromantic convulsion, level 7 or more.
Agreed. We need EMF measurement checks now.
I know the answer, but I'm gonna ask anyway. Is a level 7, whatever, bad or very bad?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say...
Let me guess. It's a 7.
Let's just say we're about to get real busy.
Hey, Sapphire,
glad
welcome.
it's
Sorry, I
fun
like to stay
time
quiet
to
during the
get
cutscenes.
Look out!
Oh my goodness, I
Slimer's
love this
escaping
game so
there.
much. So many Easter eggs and references to movies, to the games, to everything. This game was made with love. First of all, keep in mind that this was written by Dan Aykroyd and Harold Ramis. So the actual writers of the movies. Obviously they got the voice actors and the likenesses of all the actors. Look. It's Bill Murray. So good. Okay, hang on. I want to check out the firehouse real quick. Also here is the ending screen for the original Ghostbusters game. Look, let me see if I can show it properly. It says congratulations. It's not even spelled properly. Look, congratulations. You have completed. Oh, it's glitching. You have completed a great game. You proved the justice of our culture. You can go rest our heroes. It's the it's the crappy ending from the first game. Anyway, let me check out the beds real quick. Oh, look. It's New York. Alright, let's go off the Slimer.
Follow him.
I'm good, buddy. I'm good. Let's go. Oh, what's over here? Oh, it's the same thing.
Nice.
Let's go. Let's go after Slimer because he got away. I want to use the pole, actually. Where's the pole?
The employee handbook suggests you check out all significant alerts. There it is. It seems oddly drawn to the containment grid.
He's been fascinated with it ever since you added the viewer to the unit. Okay, easy now, Cadet. I'll talk you through this. Use the proton stream to get his attention.
The sound it makes for the proton stream is amazing. Is the audio okay? My audio, the game audio, because it's gonna. This game has a tendency of overpowering me. Whenever I shoot, whenever I'm blasting ghosts and trapping them, there's a lot of noise. So, if at any point it overpowers me, let me know. Here we go. 1, 2. Oops.
Containment unit? That's some highly sensitive equipment you're disintegrating there, kid. Oops, you let one out.
That's my fault. I was fine-tuning the interspatial gasket this afternoon. I'll fix it. You two get those ghosts back.
He went into the sub-basement, and his escapee friend went with him. Come on, kid. We got a job for you. Taking the right precautions, Slimer's harmless. More or less. Not sure about the other guy, though. Okay, let's go get him then.
Perfect. Thank you.
Oh, and don't sweat the containment unit. It's easy to get excited your first time out with the proton screen. Egon will fix it in no time. Now, first and foremost, before things get out of hand, you want to get to know your proton pack. It can be your best friend out there in the field. Everything you need to know is displayed on the pack itself. Here's where you keep an eye on your...
Varro, welcome!
The more green that's on the bar, the more damage you can sustain.
I'm
and
about to
still
bust
stay
some
alive.
ghosts, man.
This bar indicates your pack's heat level. When it gets to the top, you'll want to vent the pack and keep it from shorting out.
You see, the guns overheat.
For the most
so
part,
you don't
capturing
spam
a
it.
ghost is pretty straightforward.
Hey,
Break it into
Varro.
3 basic steps.
Let's do
Sap 'em,
this. Let's
tap 'em,
catch
trap
Slimer.
'em. The first step
Slimer
is
got away.
blasting a ghost to sap its energy.
Is he throwing up? What's he doing? No, he's drinking wine. He's drinking wine, and when he's drinking, it's falling through his belly. Interesting. Let's go.
You're a wicked shot, newbie! See that overlay on the ghost? It indicates the current accumulation of a ghost PKE. The more you disperse, the weaker it becomes.
I need to cool down the proton pack. It's like a reload button basically, so it doesn't overheat. Slimer got away.
We lost Slimer. There
Where'd
it
it go?
is. Ugh, and I thought Slimer was disgusting.
This guy is throwing up. He's hiding behind the boxes.
All right, you've got it good and winded. Next stage, cap. You can project the capture stream or wrangler manually using this control. On the other hand, the pack will detect when a ghost is sufficiently weakened and auto-select the capture stream setting. Get in there and throw a capture stream on that tub of goo. Fantastic! You got it! As soon as your ghost is in your capture stream, the slam meter begins to slowly charge. If you want to accelerate the slam meter charge, you can wrangle or counter-wrangle the ghost at the end of the line. Here's how you do that. Watch the ghost. When he makes a dash in one direction, you pull the stream quickly in the other. Give it a shot!
I'm smelling him.
That's it! Perfecto! They hate it when you throw the capture stream on them. Make sure your pack slam meter is charged and let them have it. Ow! That's brutal! We did run a background check on you, right? Now we can move to stage 3, traffic. We're gonna need some place to put that.
Bye, Mr. Ghost.
There you go! Perfect! See the beacon signal? 26, use that, kid, left and right. Very nice, Cadet. You've got some real
Ah, don't worry about
promise.
the same message. It's fine.
Oh,
I
always
realize
remember to
sometimes that
retrieve your trap.
it happens. You made that to make sure the Vloggy Double saw it. Alright, we caught the ghost. We caught Mr. Throw Up.
We're batting 500.
He's in
Slimer
there.
stepped out. Our cadet bagged his first one, though. A very nasty customer. Oh, and you've got to be very careful about crossing the streams. In a word, don't do it.
Seriously.
Stings like the dickens.
Ah, so cool. I love it.
Hey, how come this mump gets all the new stuff?
He's our new experimental equipment technician.
He gets a cool title, too?
It means he gets to carry around a bunch of untested, extremely dangerous hardware that, if not handled correctly, could blow him somewhere into New Jersey.
Oh, this knucklehead lugs around our very dangerous prototype hardware that could potentially blow us into New Jersey. Thanks. Keep the title, kid. It'll work hard for you. Scooter. We need to
Yeah,
go
we need to
through
find Slimer. He took off. Let's look to Janine real quick. Oh. Or not.
Where to, Ray?
The Sedgwick Hotel. It's the first place that little spud will go.
Right. Back to its initial manifestation point.
They've got a real good buffet.
It is a great one. When Winston returns from the opera, extend an invitation to join us at our table at the Sedgwick. Hey, you're up, buddy. Training will be on the job tonight. Try not to destroy too many Manhattan landmarks.
Let's go get Slimer.
That disgusting green blob is up on the 12th floor again, wreaking havoc. I demand a refund right now.
Sir, if you check the fine print on our invoice...
Invoices.
Right, invoices. You'll see that your warranty on rehaunting expired some time ago. You should have taken the extended service agreement.
The one-liners are so good.
I'm getting some interesting
Just like,
PKE
ooh, look at
spikes
that.
here. Disturbances don't seem to be exclusive to the 12th floor. I'd like
he's
the chance to
vacuuming.
look around the
Can I-
building a little more.
Good.
Hello, sir.
Dig up what you can. That little greenie shouldn't cause us too much trouble.
Hey! Miles Stromada, welcome! How are you? It's nice to see you. How are things?
Hey, Ghostbusters.
Well, hello. You're perfectly safe now, Miss. The Ghostbusters are here.
Back off, loser. Never gonna happen.
That approach rarely works with me. I'll show you why.
You see that, guys? You see that? That's why Venkman failed hitting on the women. So he shows the new cadet why that approach never works. I love Venkman. He's so
By the
cool.
way, cadet.
By the way, that
paid
girl
by
is
the
voiced by
job,
Alyssa
not by the hour.
Milano.
Let's go.
Phoebe from Charmed.
All right, Ace. Get ready.
Dr. Stantz, if you'd do the honors.
Proud to, Dr. Venkman.
Part of our settlement with the city.
I love the sound it makes the proton pack when it switches on. It's amazing.
Public areas.
And in close quarters. It minimizes the city's liabilities and satisfies the restraining order the maid here had put on us.
World we live in today, you shoot a proton stream of highly charged particles at someone, they get all so happy. It's him! Nice. Now we got another plaintiff. Oh,
I'm
come
doing
on,
good,
buddy.
Master
I'm the
Ramada.
one that gets
Thank you
a
for
face full-
asking.
What the? That looked painful.
You know
Are
how
you
I ended up
okay?
streaming this game? I was watching a Let's
That
Play. I'm
way.
like, I want to play. That's what it is. Watch out. Ooh.
Watch it! Contact! Ah! Yow! Jeez!
We're burning daylight, Pilgrim.
Are you
Get out of here.
drunk? That's good. That's good. I'm kind of jelly. Well, kind of jelly. But the thing is this. I have alcohol. I've got vodka sitting right next to me in the bottle. Listen. But I don't have a mixer. I ran out of Coke. I'm honestly considering... That's why it's sitting next to me. I'm honestly considering having it neat. Honestly. Vodka neat. I don't do that. But I'm honestly considering... That's why it's sitting next to me. We'll see. Look, even Slimer's drinking.
All right, showtime. We wear him out, then we capture him. That's what your proton stream is for. You've got him on the run! Come on, let's go! Peter!
Nah, I've seen this one already. Know how it ends. You two have fun, though. I'll cover the elevators and escort any ladies safely to their rooms.
Yeah,
Okay, so Venkman is taken
this
off.
signal looks just like your elusive little target.
He hates Slimer. The thing is, he hates Slimer because he got slimed in the first movie, so...
Your meter will flash and buzz when it detects a potential signal. The pair of goggles are linked directly to your active PKE meter. This lets you see otherwise undetectable phenomena while you track it. Ghost trails, object auras, all kinds of cool events. Now, when the center bar peaks, you're
Hang on a
headed in
second,
the
I'm
right
gonna put the
direction.
headset down really quick. Be right
When it's
back.
flat, you're following a cold trail. Line the target up with the smallest circle for the best scan. We better get a scan. We better get a scan.
Okay, I'm back. The thing is this. It's weird how I ran out of mixers. I have alcohol, but I don't have mixers. That never happened to me before.
Use your PKE. Okay, you got it. Now, way to go! Red signifies a hidden ghost. Green indicates an environmental paranormal anomaly. Blue...
This is a good
means an active
Ghostbusters
sample.
game. I love it. It's the best. No matter how many games they're gonna make in the future, or movies, the original Ghostbusters will always be the best.
Getting warmer.
There's something here.
Warmer.
This vase. You see something wrong with this vase? You see?
Getting a good scan is sort of like taking a good snapshot. When you... Careful.
Takes another sip. I love it.
Whoa, he's definitely been here. An active sample is something you can collect, like a cursed artifact. We get paid extra for everything we scan and collect. Then we roll it back into research and development. The extra funds let us experiment with new equipment and offensive technologies. Which in turn,
she is feeling
you
good.
get to wear on your back.
She
to
is
test.
feeling good.
Remember, you
I
can
know that
always review
feeling.
techniques, tutorials, and equipment in your online Ghostbusters field manual. It's all accessible from your PKE meter.
Ray! I don't feel good!
Peter, come in. You okay?
Okay, so
Uh-oh, man down. We've got a man down. Go,
Peter's
go,
down.
go!
Let's go, Vankman.
Come on, shake a leg.
No, this is
you can move
stance.
faster than that, can't you? Double time, cadet. He's been slimed again. Hustle over here and help him up, will you?
How did this even happen? I was covering the elevators. That mutant Stromboli snuck up on me.
Mutant Stromboli.
Don't fire again.
When one of us goes down, we always help each other out. It's all about teamwork.
Oh no, my friend. That was back in the pre-sliming era. Right now, it's all about payback.
You guys need to get down here immediately. Our living science experiment is tearing apart the lobby, and he's not alone.
More ghosts? But we gave this hotel a clean bill of health 5 years ago.
New people die every day.
Call the elevator, Junior.
Let's go.
All right, Slimer. You've had your fun. The elevator's off limits. Egon, come in. I think we're stuck in the elevator. We need some help.
Think we're stuck. Well, let's see. Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Ray, you guys good with officially stuck in the elevators? Show of hands.
Here it comes.
Kill it, Ray!
Need a hand?
You always fail at Ray, don't you?
Look, more ghosts.
Never mind the onion head for now. The ghost with the red cap is fighting hard to hold stasis.
Come on, he's a
Let me
needle.
get this one over here because they're both over there. I don't want to cross streams.
That's good. Keep working. Here they come.
Come on, get in there.
on your left! A convulsive PK shockwave.
The game is really loud. Is it too loud when we're capturing ghosts? Because I know it gets really, you know, noisy when we're trapping ghosts and shooting the streams and ghosts screaming. Let me know if it gets too much. Let me know. Alright. Oh, more ghosts.
Ow! That was ow there.
Hey, I'm on your side.
Hey!
Get out of here!
Slimer's also here. You gotta get caught, Slimer. Huh?
It's a whole swarm.
Keep it going. They've split up.
Ray, follow me. The others are floating back upstairs. Venkman, you two pull our friend Slimer into a trap as fast as you can. There's a massive bulge in these spikes indicating this isn't just some routine clearing job.
Hey, Philly, welcome.
He gets so bossy.
I'm not sure if I welcomed you already. I don't think I have. Okay, I'm going with Peter. Where's Peter? Peter? Come on, Venkman, let's go.
Hey now, is that honey glazed ham and prime rib? There, the Alhambra Ballroom. No way he could pass that up.
Absolutely not. You can't go in. The Rodriguez bar mitzvah is set to
That's
start
good. Thank
in
you,
half an
Sapphire, for
hour.
confirming.
I'll bet the beef.
I get really paranoid. I want my streams to be perfect.
Quite enough already. I'm sure the thing will just go away. I'm willing to risk it. You're not going in there.
That's all we needed to hear. All right, we're out. Coffee time, everyone. Service has been declined beyond this point.
You see, the thing is this.
Sounds like the Alhambra's
They
off
messed up
limits.
the first, the same ballroom in the first movie. They messed it up to catch Slimer, the very same ghost. They messed it up big time. And this time he's not letting them in. It's like, no, I learned my lesson. I'm not letting you in. So the thing is, we're pretending like we're going away, but we're gonna take the long way around.
You bring your apron? We're gonna take a little shortcut through the kitchen. The Alhambra should be right through here. Hello, chef. Okay, champion. You leave for a while.
Okay, this is not normal.
All right, don't touch the slime. It's slimy and it's extremely dangerous. Yeah, you'd think I'd be used to that stuff by now. Nothing to worry about. Most kitchens have self-starting.
Thank you so much, Philly. Thank you so much for the sub. Did I get a notification? I don't think we got a notification alert, did we? I don't think we did. Took me a while to set up the sub alerts for nothing. Why? You didn't work. I don't know, it didn't work.
Come here. Come here.
Oh well. I just tested them. I don't know why they didn't work. Let me test them again, hold on.
Welcome, welcome.
Well, now I got two.
Come here.
That's the
No,
sub alert.
Come
but
here.
I don't know. Well, that was the you're welcome. Let's go.
Wrong way, Peach Fuzz. Hands up. Okay, I dare you. Everything but the kitchen sink.
What's this guy doing? He's so fast. Oh, there's a lot of them.
This is why I eat out of the can.
What did he say? This is why I eat out of a can? Oh, maybe that's why. Alright, maybe that's why. Maybe that's why, Philly.
All right, check this out. That's all there is to it. You just throw this junk anywhere. We don't stick around and clean up.
I want to be a Ghostbuster in real life. When I grow up, I want to be a Ghostbuster.
You know, I thought that guy said Rodriguez bar mitzvah.
I'm actually waiting for a keychain for my keys. Ghostbuster keychain. I'm a big fan.
Would it kill him to mix in a green salad once in a while? I'm gonna take backup.
Now the trick is this: we're gonna try to catch Slimer without making a mess of this room. All right, we're gonna try. All right, we made a mess in the first movie. Let's try not to make a mess again. Let's go. Where'd he go? He's hiding in some food item. Oopsie. He's in the table. There he is.
Good, good. That's it, buddy.
It's hard not to make a mess.
Monster breathing hard.
I gotcha, sucker!
Yeah, no, right on hold still.
Get in the trap.
When he's tired, he'll be able to put his sorry crater of a butt into a truck.
Come home, Slimer. This is where you belong. Welcome home, Slimer.
Yeah, perfect. See? That's a big wow. That'll teach that pitiful goop sack to slime, Pete Venkman. And by extension, you. Perhaps a place sitting disturbed, still pretty much ready, full go for the Rodriguez blowout.
The Alhambra Ballroom! The bar mitzvah! What have you done? The guests are arriving in 15 minutes!
What seems to be your problem? Thanks to me and my new exclusively assigned recruit here, the festivities can now proceed in an entirely ghost-free environment. So, you're welcome, huh? And, to the Rodriguez, a l'chaim from the Ghostbusters.
Oh, man. We did it. We got Slimer.
Nice of you guys to join us. You grabbed the little spud?
Ray, we need to have a heart to Blob talking this way.
Oh yeah, there's the other ones.
Uh-oh. Heads up, your initiation is over. Now give us a hand. We've got a couple of really persistent, troublesome spirits here.
I'm down.
Here they come! To the right!
It's on your left!
Gotcha!
Nice screaming! Getting the hang of it. Rough work. That's a whole bunch of them!
Look out, on your left! Exceptional.
On the right!
Get a full scan.
You got it!
Hold him now.
I thought I felt lousy
Wasn't such
before.
a chore, now was it?
It is fun. It's a fun game. I love it.
Who is going to pay for all of this?
No need to worry, sir. As you know, the mayor rode to office on a strictly pro-Ghostbusters platform. And we now invoice the city directly for all captures and eliminations. And unhaunted New York is a tourist-friendly New York.
No, but damage.
The mayor and the city have taken out an extensive insurance policy as well, so you're covered.
Honestly, I'm sensing some hostility here. Perhaps we should just leave the ghosts here if that's what you would prefer, sir.
No. No. But please, be discreet.
Discretion is our professional watchword.
Heads up!
Whoa! Where did he come from?
I suppose we should go after him, unless you want to discuss it first.
Cadet, go with Dr. Spangler. Check out the angry fisherman.
Let's go, Dr. Spangler. Let's go. As you may notice that Winston's not here. Winston is taking a day off, or maybe he's out on a date or something like that. He's gonna join us later.
This way. Looks like he's drifting upstairs. Can't get across there. Move. Take the lead. Take this trap.
So me and Egon got separated now. Now this guy's like a fisherman. He's all about the fishing and stuff, and he's gonna start causing massive hallucinations and
Take a scan. See what...
he's gonna start causing massive hallucinations in the hotel. The hotel is gonna transform completely. I highly recommend this game. I would suggest you check it out if you're into video games.
Is there a
I'm sure you
bathtub
are.
overflowing up there? More specifically, a 7,000 cubic meter bathtub filled with protonically charged seawater. And, sea cucumbers?
This is a 2009 game. It looks gorgeous for 2009 games. There are games in 2016 that look like mobile flash games, Android games, iOS games. Look at that, when you get close to these plants or whatever they are, they withdraw. Look at them. And when I step back, they come back out. Look at that. Son of a biscuit, I'm gonna get you.
Ray, did you tell the recruit about semi-dimensional rift entities? This type of highly agitated environment is a likely manifestation point.
No, wait. There's a freaking mosquito on me. Did I get it? Keeps going around me. Did I get it? I hope so. I don't know. I clapped. We'll see. Yeah, so that's why the hotel right now is all water themed, because the ghost is a he's a water type ghost. I have to take the long way around, I think. Surrounded by these guys. Hold on. I don't like this. The ghost should be in here, I think. I'm on my own. I got separated from the Ghostbusters, so it's just me now. And there he is! Time to prove myself to the Ghostbusters. You see there's a counter at the top left of the screen? It's basically counting how much damage I'm making. It's just for fun, really.
Good work. Are you all right?
Nice going. You might really be the right person for this job.
Yes, you have destroyed a significant section of a 5-star New York hotel in just under 3 hours. Your mother and I are so proud. Aren't we, Egon?
He's got something. Let's track it down.
At least I got reinforcements now.
Egon! gun, Ray?
Whoa. First one I've ever seen. It's some type of highly focused anthropomorphic animator. An entity which attracts familiar objects to itself so it can materially manifest its rage.
It's generating a field of attraction so strong that it's able to reassemble its component parts.
It's losing strength. Keep tearing it down. Wrangle that!
Gosh, you son of a biscuit. We got you. Get in there.
Keep working!
I thought I didn't like knives and forks flying at me, but when knives and forks become a big angry giant, that's really me not liking it. A lot.
Happens every day, right? Anybody here from Zetamore?
This is awesome. Check this out.
Guys, I'm right outside. And so is something else.
Gosh, we've missed you, partner. Glad you could make it. But first, how was Aida? Well, we had to make do with this new specimen here.
I've been trying to get here for over 4 hours, Peter. Traffic is a little blocked right now.
Wait. I know that thud.
Winston, what do you see out there?
It's big. It's clean and soft and white. And you all aren't gonna like it.
No, this is not possible. Not here, not now, not again!
Yeah, stay off this back.
Wasn't me this time, I swear it.
There he is.
Ray. What do we have that can stop that cheap confection?
Ray, weren't you gonna finish up the install of the Super Slammer today?
The Super Slammer? Sounds untested. Tacky and exciting. I'm in. But will it work?
Against the minions of a god? That was never the intent. But in theory, I suppose it could. But a muon trap of this capacity has never been used or even tried before.
Uh-huh. And why would that stop guys that don't know any better?
Yeah, man. What are we? The FDA?
We'll have to clear a path through this mess first. Get moving! This residue is animating.
Lord, you help us. Stay Puft is somehow hatching these mini-minions from himself. Well, there's paranormal physiology for you. Always something to make your stomach turn. Nettlesome little yarpers! Yep, they look so darn tasty. Blast them!
More trouble! Multiple Class 5 FRVs, inbound!
Calling the FRVs, how cool. Full roaming vapors, that's what it means. Okay, so, the vehicle now is equipped with the Super Slammer, so there's like a giant trap on the car. We can just... I don't have to throw traps in, look. I don't have to throw a trap in the catcher ghost, see?
I'm liking the Super Slammer.
Throw all the ghosts you capture at the slammer. You can relinquish your handheld.
I dreaded you when you were alive. You're worse. What? Big soap shortage in the afterlife, guys? Look at them change. You're only encouraging them.
Pinkman, we need to have a talk about tolerance. Ray, can you stop the car for me?
No, not if we're gonna catch up to our old friend.
Look out! Above you! That's it! Easy there! Almost crossed the screen!
Okay, I'm gonna catch this guy over here.
Ow! Look out! Above you! You're asking for it, hotshot. Let him have it! Feel good. Now just bring him in.
Well, that kisses my boo-boo a little bit.
I'm detecting something significant.
Look at that. Product placement.
What is that?
I like that.
Am I hearing wings?
Sponsor.
Last 6. Animator. Multiple contacts.
Grab him and slam him, noob.
Interesting. Ghosts and gargoyles.
Hey, that was a game. Ghosts and Gargoyles. A game we played when I was in the seminary.
Ghosts and gargoyles. What dink game didn't you play? Do you have your 8-sided dice with you?
Hey Juan, welcome! It's not a ripoff, are you kidding me? Stop it, Juan, stop! Don't say that! Don't say that!
Here they come.
These are the real Ghostbusters! Funny enough, there was an animated show and it was called The Real Ghostbusters.
Almost there. Okay, I got loot one. Run! On your left. Incoming!
Scan it for the spirit guy.
On the right! Behind you! Oh my! In the box!
Okay Juan, no problem. Wesker! Welcome!
What do we do?
It's getting interesting now.
Damn.
It's not just zombies now and monsters.
And I thought it couldn't become any harder to get around Manhattan.
We're dealing with ghosts
Any
now.
ideas?
Well, we're not getting through that way now.
Hey, cut through this alley. We might be able to head off Stay Puft.
We need to find a way around this mess.
See, it's either you or Egon, Ray, or Winston.
I've had just about enough of the marshmallow parade. Let's go see if we can find us a shortcut. You with me? spooky and clothesline fresh.
Yeah, buddy, lurk away, don't worry. Greetings, Wesker. So yeah, the story of this game continues where Ghostbusters 2 left off, actually. Or the new movie came out.
That looks like our ticket. That tank is leaking gas all over the place. That is a serious safety hazard, man.
I wanted to test these first, but since we're waiving that safety step today anyway, you should be aware that I modified the neutrino wand, which normally releases the particle stream.
Wow, it's like Christmas came early.
Yeah, it's like a shotgun blast. This is gonna be like a shotgun blast. Check this out.
Santa came to my house dressed as Dracula.
You guys might want to stand back.
How far exactly?
Back. Way back.
Do I still have eyebrows?
Samuel.
I said way back.
If I stand in the way of the vehicle,
Great
look.
job, kid.
Yeah, combustible gasoline. It's the future.
They play the siren.
Egon, once again on the Super Slammer. I'll get my
It's a prototype,
Anyway.
Peter. You recall the memo from you about getting too many memos on prototypes?
Well, I did write them.
We've mounted a high-expansion rapid-cycle multiple ghost absorber. It's faster and larger than our portable units.
Am I in jeopardy? Is this a big enough stick to roast this guy? Okay.
Potentially. But our exposure to interdimensional deities has been only marginal to date, so it would be wise to anticipate some error.
Somebody needs to go.
Exactly, yes, it's by exactly. It's by my goodness, I can't talk tonight. It's inspired by the Higgs boson. Yes, that's right, the Higgs boson.
You know, for a big guy who fights off the snake, we should tie a propeller on his neck.
Hindenburg, the opera. Wasn't that show shut down when the stage caught fire and killed the cast?
I read the reviews. Oh, the humanity. I had to say that.
That's right. Ruthless producers. They just reopened it last week. It's crackling. There must be something really bad about this place.
Grab a full scan.
Good idea. We should probably have a look around.
Guess that means we're not alone.
Yep. These are unusual flux patterns. Whoa, wait! Don't touch that. That's what I thought. Black slime. Black slime is a hazardous form of ectoplasmic residue. Toxic to both body and soul. Very dangerous.
You know it,
Egon and I
Wesker.
haven't developed clothes
You know
and boots
it.
sufficient enough to insulate against the negative psychokinetic effects of this stuff yet, so be careful.
In other words, the stains don't ever come out. Ooh. Watch yourself!
singing!
She is so old.
Looks like an opera singer. And a hefty one at that. Peter, you better take her.
What's that supposed to mean? I'm a chubby chaser? I take out one.
He called him a chubby chaser.
Blind date, like her personality, and you guys can't let it go.
We got the first fat lady. Get in there. You fit. Next one.
Look out! Above
She's
you!
gone.
Okay,
Get rid of this one now.
I don't have time for you right now, gargoyle! Roll him out!
In there. Gargoyles again.
Run! Kapow, freak! Ooh, ankle.
The gargoyles you can just grab them and slam them. The actual ghosts, you have to zap them until they drain out of health, and then you can. There's another one here.
Hey, I see it to my face!
Gotcha, fatty.
Almost busted.
There we go.
On the right!
Just laying back for a bit because I was on danger, but now I'm good.
You don't want to cross the street by speaking from experience.
Just did a service to humanity, kid.
Oh my goodness, the mosquito's still here. But I got it now. I got it. Hang on. Hold on, I'm gonna put the headset down real quick.
Times Square, post-urban renewal. All shiny and clean. I love it.
Say, is that him?
It's hard to miss.
Egon, how close do we have to get the big trap to reel him in?
A lot closer than this.
What's he up to now?
He's looking for something.
Is he looking for something or someone?
I'm back. The mosquito's gone, which is good. Gotcha, fatty. Vlogging 2016. Sounds like my weekend.
If you can see behind me, the streets are in
Chubby chaser?
absolute chaos.
No.
Authorities are doing everything they can to quell the panic and maintain order. It is madness out here. The Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, star of the popular children's television show, is on a rampage. This is not the Stay Puft we've come to love.
Look at him,
Fortunately, the
guys. He's
Ghostbusters
looking
have
for something.
arrived to
Stay
put
Puft is
everything
looking
back to
for
normal.
something.
It's damaged. I've got to fix it or we won't stand a chance.
We need to get from here. Sure the big boy doesn't find whatever he's looking for.
Good strategy. It's dangerous, though. That's a lot of open ground to cover.
All right, sport.
Well, Wesker,
Looks like it's
actually
me
we
and
are
you.
going to make a lot of s'mores.
Let's go across Times Square
Trust
and
me.
get into the
You're
building
going to see
Stay
that.
Puft is so interested in. You guys keep him off us if you think you can.
He knows you're there,
Goodness, he's
Ray.
walking my
I don't
way.
think he likes
Whoa,
it.
whoa, whoa,
Yep,
whoa, whoa,
he
whoa,
spotted
whoa.
us. Keep moving. Keep away from those feet. He'll stomp you into jelly. Boson will loosen him up.
Of course.
Hit him with boson darts. Nice boson. That really dinged him. Great job. Now see if he wants s'more. Get it? That's funny to you.
See if you want more. There you have it, Wesker, your pun.
Here he comes. Evasive maneuvers.
I'm gonna have to follow Ray. Where's Ray? I lost Ray. There he is. Oh my goodness.
Venkman, you've got to distract him. Venkman, are you getting coffee? Venkman's getting coffee.
I went to get coffee. Seriously?
Stay on your toes. Follow me, quick. Draw him over here.
Stay Puft is no longer looking what he was looking for now. He's just attacking us.
Boson darts!
These are actually small creatures.
Scan him, he's not in the guide. Where do you think you're going? There's our way in! Break for it! Stay on my 6.
Hey Hunter, welcome! We're playing some Ghostbusters today. Sometimes it's zombies, sometimes it's monsters. Today is ghosts.
It's okay!
Oh my goodness, another!
Just a level 5 thought form cross rip.
Another mosquito, seriously?
Everybody calmly
Where did he come from? Hold on,
Make
putting
no
the headset down again.
movements.
Oh, I can't. Hang on. Hang on. I need to find this mosquito, hold on. I didn't get this one. I didn't get this one. Well. Let's keep going. Small monsters!
That's not friendly. Uh-oh. He didn't find what he was looking for on the bottom floors. Come on. We've got to get to the top floors.
All full. Going up. He just passed gas. Catch the next one.
Relax, sir. We handle foul vapors all the time.
Did you get that?
Let's stay in for lunch, you said. Why leave the building, you said. It'll be quiet, you said. You know you're fired.
You're right. I secretly knew our lives would be in danger and thought, hey, I'll make sure I trap Mark with me inside an elevator!
Excuse us? Stay with me, Haas. I'm sure there's more fun up ahead. Oh, I missed them.
Look at that. It has cheesy humor. It's my kind of humor. Cheesy, lame puns. I like these kind of. It's Ghostbusters. It's Ghostbusters. It's always been like that.
Uh-oh. No sudden movements. Okay, sure got quiet all of a sudden.
I knew it.
They're in the vents! They're in the vents! More than I expected. Find some cover. Keep it going. I just missed it. Run for it! Watch out, they're smart.
Those are darts doing the trick actually. Look.
Don't let them circle behind you.
One shot.
I'm covered in marshmallow Indian goo. Stay Puft is working overtime, generating these little creeps. Egon and I were talking about creating
Look at
minis
Ray's
to
face.
get
He's
more
full
work
of
done in the lab.
marshmallow. Look at his
Maybe he
face.
could be domesticated, like Slimer.
So funny. Hey Dandy, welcome.
Good shooting.
Playing some Ghostbusters today. Busting some ghosts
Night
with our technology.
Proton pack time.
Proton packs. Oh no! No, pressing the wrong button! Yes, cheesy, but yes, it makes you chuckle, yeah.
Speed it up there, Tom. Oh, man.
Some people... Oh, look at Stay Puft.
It's pandemonium up here. Chunks of the building missing everywhere. You are required at the site now.
So happy to be in demand, but these sugar balls have got me nailed down. I can't get past them. They're disgusting, and they're unhealthy.
Did I mention there's a spectacularly beautiful lady in distress?
I'll be right there.
Showtime.
No! Somebody
It's her
help
Stay
me!
Puft is after.
Easy
He
now,
wants
miss.
her.
Just relax. No sudden movements.
Look, he's
Perfectly
trying to
safe
reach out to
now.
her.
Sudden movements! Sudden movements! It's not alone! Wow, check it out, kid. What a view, huh? Manhattan. I love it.
I love Manhattan too. It's next on the list.
Scooter, we need to go. Let's roll.
Oh, there's Venkman. Look at him, look at him, look at him. In front of the girl.
It's okay. Dr. Venkman has you. You're fine now. Ray, I got coffee for all of us. But the little monster spilled it. And what's the story with those things anyway?
What? Was that a manifestation of Gozer?
Yeah, probably. It just may be. Could be. Would you like to take the most direct route out of here or the scenic route? It's lady's choice.
There's a stairwell over here. Let's go.
Woo. Yeah, grace under pressure. I appreciate that in a lady.
Okay, Slugger, let's you and me do this quick and quiet before Tubby Soft Squeeze out there figures out what we're up to.
I think Tubby Soft Squeeze has dog ears, Ray.
This game is amazing. Hey, Chase, welcome. Welcome, my friend. You should be getting higher ground, no?
We go up then.
Yeah.
To the roof.
Well, hello there.
Oh, Stay Puft spotted us. Move, move.
We're gonna get to higher ground so he doesn't reach us. Let's do this.
Not much longer, cadet. That way.
Oh, that's some relief.
We're on the roof.
Come on, let's go.
Moving! Get that one in the books! Uh-oh! Here they come! It's on your left!
Sometimes Vangman goes, he's on your left. And if you look on your right instead, he goes, no, your other left. Get in there.
Now that hurt! All yours!
Great job.
The voice acting is spot on, huh? They actually got the Russian actors to do these voices.
Fuck you.
Even the girl is voiced by Alyssa Milano, and I think her name is Dr. Alyssa. I think in this movie, in this game. It's a reference to her name, obviously.
This is a strict no-no. It's on your left. Okay, nice and easy now. Need a muon trap here. Hold on!
There you go.
I don't mean to alarm you, but we have lost sight of Stay Puft.
Strong signal.
The building is shaking.
Get his attention! Hit him with boson darts! That's how you do it. Great job, you guys. Ha! Free s'mores for everybody from 54th Street to 5th Avenue. Happy Thanksgiving!
There we go. S'more party for everyone.
Big Evil Sailor all the way to the... Oh! Not quite. Didn't make it. Hey, Ray, say 3 guys, the size of your finger, knocked you off the side of a 30-story building and you had to climb all the way back up to tear them apart. How mad would you be at those 3 little dinky types?
I'd go with mighty pissed.
Okay, and throw in a sugar high, too.
That giant blue and white toy man thing, or whatever, is still coming. It's climbing the building.
I'm impressed with his agility, considering his complete lack of bones.
Good news. We've got the Super Slimer back on pulse and Ecto-1 is rolling. We're repositioning now. Can you hold the Stay Puft there for a few minutes?
If by few you mean less than 1, then sure, we can do that.
Hey, did somebody tell you it was break time?
No sweat, kid. We've got you.
Well, as long as you're down there, would you see if you could knock off Mr. Sweetness?
Oh yeah, so now I'm hanging for dear life, and while I'm at it, why don't you just try to keep him down? I'm just hanging like this, look at this. Why are you there? Can you just keep him
Right
off?
there, sunshine.
Make sure he doesn't climb up. Yeah, I'll
You're
try.
all strapped in. We've got a good tight grip on your belt. Here he comes. The Big Daddy manifestation himself. A raging blob of densely packed marshmallow. Oh boy. Melt him, Chief. Give him full screen.
He's right, Rookie. Your health insurance doesn't begin for another 89 days.
More of those minis. How many can he generate?
From 200,000 square feet of solid marshmallow? Nice.
Boson darts should do the trick.
Is that his upset look? What do you think?
Soften him up with your boson darts. Hit him with boson darts. Pepper him with boson darts.
I have a plushie of this monster actually, of Stay Puft. I have a plushie. I found it in Nerdlock.
Got him on the ropes, Monster. Land the last
Look
one
out
so we can go home.
You've killed my dessert!
Scoreboard reads Ghostbusters 2, Gozer the Gozerian 0. Looking like a real big leaguer out there, champ.
Raid, Peter, we're in position. The trap is set. We're prepared to capture Stay Puft. Where is he?
He's that white puddle you're driving through?
Timing's off by just a hair, Egon, but we're glad the trap is working again.
I guess I owe you guys my life.
She's clean.
How do you feel?
Pretty good. All extremely weird things considered.
So far, just another screwed up day at the office. You know, I never forget a face attached to all the rest of that. I think we met earlier at the Sedgwick Hotel. You gave me the sideshow chicken drop.
My name's Alyssa. Dr. Alyssa Selwyn. And
I am Dr. Peter Venkman. And that's Egon. It's Ray Winston, and you met him.
Uh-huh. The Ghostbusters.
Have you ever been involved in this type of quantum temporal rift event before?
A quantum what?
It's called arcing, a large pulse of psychic energy.
Actually, yes. I was at the museum. A pulse of blue light surged through the building, and then I was standing outside a room on the 13th floor of an old hotel.
The Sedgwick.
The Sedgwick doesn't have a 13th floor.
It was pulling me like a magnet. I felt as though I was in a deep dream. I came to and ran over here.
Here?
It's a temporary office while I'm in town. I came to do some research after I woke up.
We'd like you to come to our lab so we can run some brief tests and ask you more questions.
Here's an easy one. Would you like to go out for Thai? Mexican? Japanese?
Wow, Dr. Venkman. That time you almost went 45 seconds without saying something abrasive. Want to try for a whole minute next time?
A doctor, and a fiery one, too. Charming. So charming.
Gotta love Dr. Venkman. Let's see what's going on here. Hey Winston, you're looking at the screen of the video game? Look at it, he's looking at it. The congratulation thing. Come on, stop. Congratulation. Winston! I love how they look exactly like their movie counterparts. Hey Clough, welcome!
So you know so much about Gozer because...
Because I'm a specialist in ancient Mesopotamian cultures and architecture. Sumerian primarily. Gozerian more specifically. I'm here as a guest curator for the Gozerian exhibit that's opening tomorrow at the Natural History Museum.
You are aware that we also have some history with Gozer.
Yes, of course.
Gozer was a bush leaguer before he met us. A strictly farm team deity. We put him on the map.
But our getting stiffed on invites to opening night, just an oversight, right?
I don't have anything to do with that.
That, gentlemen, was all me. And I can assure you it was not an oversight.
Oh, by the way, you have visitors.
Thanks, Janine. You're first-class lookout. Walter...
First-class lookout.
I did not recognize you without the mayor's backside attached to your nose.
Okay, everybody put them back in their skivvies. Apologies. Dr. Selwyn, are you all right?
I think so, but I'm worried about the exhibit.
Are you kidding? You can't buy publicity like this. The guest curator of the Gozer exhibit, the expert Peck recommended, is attacked the night before the opening by Gozer himself? Please, tell me that was Gozer.
Gozer manifested in a familiar form, one he had used before, the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, but this event was weaker than his first encounter with us.
Ha! That's all I need, thanks!
Come on, Jock. What's the idea of bringing Peck around here? Oh, have I coughed at the wrong time?
Listen, here's the deal. You and Peck and all you guys are going to work together.
What? No way, no how.
Impossible.
Look, this city has given you at least a dozen contracts for the jails, courthouses, and wharves. You guys want to grow your business. Get some county and state work, too. I'm all for it. You've been big supporters and great for my campaign.
Well, some have said our endorsement is what got you elected.
But not out loud. Anyway, after all the damage you've been causing lately, the city council wants you under close supervision for a period of no less than 6 months.
We file reports on time. There's no need for extra supervision.
Funny guy, Venkman. You've always been my favorite. Well, that's where your old friend Peck comes in. He's annoying, a stickler for the rules. In other words, the perfect Peck for the job. He's our new head of Peacock.
Peacock?
PCOC, Paranormal Contracts Oversight Commission. And my first official act is going to be suspending you clowns' operating license.
Lighten up, Peck. Launch your investigation if you have to, but for now just keep them under control and my office in the loop. But remember, if the Ghostbusters cease to exist, so does your job. So you need each other. Beautiful in an ironic, symmetrical kind of way, isn't it?
Hey, Mulligan, come on.
It's Mayor Mulligan to you, Venkman. So, we have an understanding? This kind of protects us all. You want more government business, I want to keep my approval rating, and Peck wants his little fiefdom. You play by the rules. Easy. We all get what we want, and the city council gets what they need. Okay, big night tomorrow, Alyssa. Get some rest.
So, now that we're all friends, can we get invites to the museum opening?
Not likely. But I'll be seeing you soon. You can count on that.
Hey Clough, sorry I was quiet during the cutscene. I'd like
Doesn't
to watch
Peck
the
look
movie.
exactly like the kind of guy who accidentally
So good.
walked into
The graphics are actually good, considering this is a 2009
I'm just saying,
game.
it could happen.
The graphics are really good. That's what I was saying earlier. Games these days, some games on the PS4 these days look like crap. Okay, you get like they look like iOS games and PS2 games. This looks really good for a 2009 PS3 game. You know, let's look at the references real quick from the movies if you're familiar with the movies. Here over here we have Vigo, the painting, and he talks actually.
I'm
Look.
afraid that's the soonest opening we have.
You sniveling,
I've got
pitiful
you down for
half-man.
that. Oh, it won't be necessary to call before they arrive.
So many mothers have twisted in agony at the horror I visited upon their
Yeah, that's
sons.
a reference for the second movie.
Goodbye.
And then there's these are newspaper clippings from when they saved the world, the first movie. Hey Ellie, welcome! Ellie's here! It's been a while, Ellie, and when I say it's been a while, not seeing you on streams, seeing you live. Why you no stream anymore, huh?
Hello, Ghostbusters.
I found another Easter egg. Let me show you another one.
No, we do not
Look
advise
at
that you
that. So we have lockers here. We have Venkman, Spangler, Zedmore, Stance. I don't know why Stance's locker is sticking out like this, but and there's also Louis Tully's desk. He's not in the game, but there's his uniform. If we can get close to it, it does say Tully. There you go. Tully's uniform. So yeah. Yes, I agree, Klaus. This is the perfect Ghostbusters game. This is really good. They tried making other Ghostbusters games. They've made like another 3 Ghostbuster games since this one, since 2009, and they were all a failure. Because they don't put love into it. They just try to put the title in, maybe the theme song, and try to it's a cash grab, basically. It's a cash grab. All right, let's go.
Ray and I have been talking.
And we think we should have a look at the museum. Whatever happened tonight, it started there.
Okay, I'll take one for the team. Stay with Ilsa. You guys go with Winston and the recruit. I'll be your personal protection.
What about Peck? He's supposed to be informed of everything we do.
What he doesn't know can't hurt us.
Hey guys, you need to make a detour. Something big is going down. It's on 1010 Winds now.
Tune it in.
And another ghostly sighting has staff at the New York Public Library scrambling for answers.
The Gray Lady.
Let's get her for real this time.
Well, what about the museum?
It's been there for 104 years. Where's it gonna go today?
This thing you guys have for the Gray Lady borders on the wheel. You know that, right?
She made us look like schmucks. Not this time.
Oh, and another thing, Pat called and says that I'm required to tell him where you are and what you are up to.
Tell him he can meet us at the museum. We'll be there. Eventually.
Yes, Ali Cat, we miss you. I miss your streams.
Big
you know,
crowd.
you know what's weird? I never had Taco Bell in my
Captain
life.
McMahon from the
ever,
12th
ever.
says
We
there
don't
was
have
a
Taco
massive
Bell in Europe.
disturbance.
And I've been
Real
to the
fireworks
US.
show.
And
Not much
been to
going on
Canada
now?
twice, but I never had
Maybe.
Taco Bell.
Didn't there used to be 2
I
lines
kind of
out here?
hate myself for not trying it.
Check for valences.
Anyway, so now because of what's going
Look
on,
at this.
because of
Wow,
what's
big
going on,
spikes.
and
Hey, Cadet, you need to see this.
You know, the manifestation. Ghosts from. Look at that.
Stand back.
Look out! There
Whoa! Double full torso animators!
Because of what's going on,
Come on!
some of the ghosts
After
are
them.
coming
You
back,
heard
like
Stance. Let's move.
like Stay Puft, and even the librarian apparently she's back.
There they are.
Couple of Class 5 animators. Never seen them in tandem like that. They're really agitated.
Switching on the pack.
They're hiding somewhere.
All right. Take it easy.
Hey, he said take it easy. That's not easy. Miss! Damn!
Sorry, Z.
How about a little warning next time, fellas?
That one's a beast, Ray. Let's chase him down. Winston, check that next doorway, see if he has any friends.
Leave a haunted room. I got no problem with that.
Hey, Cadet. To use the shock blaster, it's best to get in fairly close. Its effects are powerful, but dissipate quickly over distance.
And please be careful. It's a prototype. We're trusting you with it.
The stasis stream will temporarily slow down paranormal entities. If you train the stream on the target long enough, you can actually stop it entirely.
This is how you use it.
A stasis stream. Basically, it's like a proton stream. It's blue. Look.
Switch equipment, Cadet.
You see? Now I've got another thing. And whenever I shoot... Not that. This.
Cool. A freeze ray.
A stasis stream. This has nothing to do with cold, but the effect is similar.
When do you have the time to work on all this stuff, Gun?
I've been conducting an experiment in which I sleep an average 14 minutes a day. Leaves me a lot of time to work.
Great. Ready to roll. Hey, Haas, you think you can handle that little fella yourself? We'll meet you back here.
So yeah, it's basically, it slows the ghosts down to a freezing point. They actually stop completely. It's like a freeze ray.
Stay alert. Keep your PKE meter up. Animators can hide in anything. Hey! Ugly just shot around that corner!
It's like they all took off and left me alone. One. Oh. I actually went to see the female Ghostbusters movie. I don't mind it, but no, it has nothing to do with. It can't compare. You can't compare it to the original.
Hey, Bloodhound, we're up here, to your right!
Strong emanations, no direct source though.
We followed our guy in here, and he gave us the slip.
Detecting a very strong anomaly here.
Uh-oh, here comes something big.
Now that is a fine example of a level 6 bidimensional attractor.
Egon, did I let you what a good idea you had to come up on the balcony? Slow it down!
Monsters made of books.
Slow it down somehow.
much PK energy must it take to collect and animate an entity like that?
A lot. A lot of very angry energy.
How easy was that?
Wait, not so fast. I'm getting some big fluxes here.
Wine sounds good.
I think it's her. Yes! Yes, it is her! Eleanor Twitty, the librarian!
Look, there she is! Meet us at the stairway door.
We found the librarian.
She went down that way.
Winston, check upstairs to see if the other phantom doubled back. Roger.
Honestly, I'm drinking vodka neat right now. There she is.
She shushed us again. That witch!
I'm drinking vodka neat because I don't have a mixer.
PK, ease out and try to be quiet.
Oh, wow, a full stabilizing levitation. I'd say we're close to something.
Ray.
You got something?
I've got something right here.
Kid, check that out.
Ah!
Ooh, she keeps shushing us. That's her, the Gray Lady. She's the first ghost we ever hunted. Man, I wish Venkman was here.
I'm pretty sure Venkman doesn't.
Easy now. She's real skittish.
Damn, lost it.
Let's go. We'll cut her off.
These readings are off the charts. Charts.
Wow. Now listen, this place is reading like a psychic pressure cooker. Prime your thrower. Everybody stick close together.
Here,
what was that?
This way, quick.
Okay, so much for stick together. New plan is fan out.
Flexible approach, Ray.
There are 2 hostile spirits roaming around in here.
2 that we know about.
Hey, Dada!
Now I got you. What? Oh no, kid, look out! It's coming your way!
You don't scare me, ghosts. I'm gonna make a run for it, however.
Temperature's dropping. Event imminent. Brace yourselves.
Guys, I'm in the periodical archives looking at a stack of old newspaper clippings all about some nut named Edmund Hoover, a.k.a. The Collector.
Go on.
This dude has a history you should know about. He was a rare book collector who seduced Eleanor Twitty, the head librarian of this place.
The Gray Lady?
That would be my guess.
I think she prefers Eleanor. The shelves keep knocking me out. Let's push them off. I amuse myself easily. That's one last tower. Let's knock it off. This is fun.
Guys, it's dead up here. The good kind, I mean. You all cool?
We may need to get back to you on that.
Hey kid, what's your 20? I'm in some kind of a dark tunnel moving fast towards a bright light.
Oof! Class 1 swarmers! Pesky but combustible. More than I expected. Oh no, no crossing the street. Stream crossing is restricted zone. Now where's that Class 5 animator? I tracked the slut here.
What do we do? There he is.
There's the big fish! See what he did? Give him a new home. In our containment facility. Throw your trap, Rook! Look! Did you see that? More than I expected. How easy was that? Stay on it! Play it out. Turn up the hornet's nest, kid. Look behind you! They fell backward in Pittsburgh. Kapow! Reach! Trapped it!
Hey Liz, welcome!
Whew, good work.
Welcome.
That took some doing.
Ghost busting tonight.
Congratulations, Ray. But I'm near Special Collections. Someone you've been wanting to meet again is here.
We're on our way!
Sure, that plan my face. That wasn't working. Let's go. I'm gonna take a small sip of neat vodka.
Keep an eye on the twitchy ones. They'll really crease you if you aren't careful. Keep moving, sport.
Only you could see the
sure
faces
don't want to
I'm
be
making.
trapped in here. You all right? Come on, let's go! Watch it! Get him! Mind the paper cuts!
Mind the paper cuts. Are we done?
the guy, now! You've got him on the ropes! Solid! Send them back where they came from! You're all right. Crossing the street. Solid! Looks like the Grey Lady makes her own reinforcements. Keep your eyes open, team. She's upping the ante.
Thanks for the warning, Ray. But I have no idea what you're talking about.
You may want to just take our word for it.
There she is. Quiet now. Let's get a solid scan.
I missed that, Ray. Please repeat.
Enough with the shushing! Well, at least we're getting closer.
Could not hear
You
a
guys are
word of
making me
that, Ray.
hungry with the food.
Ray!
You're gonna make me stop the stream and go cook. I'm kidding.
Could be trouble. Up high! I'm gonna try everything once, but not this.
You know, I just realized, I hope I don't jinx it. I haven't died yet. So you don't die. You fail your mission.
Possibly streams is technically a fireable offense.
Those end are good, trick.
Gives you the creeps, huh? Okay, good job. Come on, kid. We need to get out of here. Winston, where the heck are you?
In the periodical section, checking the box scores from the Knicks game last night. Why?
Tell us more about this collector, Winston.
Says here that this collector used the Grey Lady to get to the rare books in her care. Specifically, a book called, get this, the Gozerian Codex.
Great.
Yeah, and when she found out what he was up to, she dumped him.
Smart lady.
Not really. Evidently, he murdered her for it.
Uh-oh.
The Grey Lady was his first victim, but he killed a bunch more.
And let me guess, he collected their bodies just like he collected books?
Bingo! Ray, you get to buy me dinner. And here's the last on the collector. Seconds before he was hanged, he said he would return as Azet Lord, some sort of god, to keep watch over the library and every rare book in its collection.
Sounds like quite the bookworm.
Sounds like the kind we run into all the time.
Hey Sean, welcome.
Try to pick up a signal, see what's here.
We're doing some ghost busting tonight. What the heck? Did you guys see that? Oh, time to have a drink.
Okay, I'm not saying that's a bad sign, but it sure isn't a good one. Jeez! That'll only hurt for a minute.
Well, I was coming straight for me.
You hear that? It's around here someplace. Uh-huh. Somebody's in here. It's children. What are they saying? I think they're trying to tell us something.
Chili beer sounds good. Wait. Spicy beer? Seriously? Interesting.
Bye.
You got that right, Scooter. Here's the place. Special collections. These rooms are packed with rare and valuable volumes. Okay, she's in here with Egon. No noise.
We found her.
Shh. Almost.
Oh boy.
It's like they're throwing the whole science fiction section at us.
Can't pass through the shield!
Their shields. Use the capture stream on their shields.
Remember how you were saying Print was dead?
I wish.
Now where'd she go?
Valence is up. She definitely left a trace somewhere.
You see, that's why I prefer digital copies. Digital books.
Big spike. Right here.
Yeah, check this out. I feel a breeze. Oh, cool! Secret passages. These are great! I didn't even know this area existed.
Looks like the janitors didn't either. The last 80 years, anyway. What are those? I don't recognize them from Tobin's.
No. They're in the revised Ethiary catalog. I think the Grey Lady is constructing them from the books and minor spirits here. She may be more powerful than we thought. Take a look at this place. I could spend a month taking inventory of these books.
Let's be very careful what we wish for down here, Ray.
We should tell Winston to get down here. We could probably use his help. Wow, dig that.
Ray, I'm not entirely convinced this is the best course of action.
Hey, I'll bet this is a trap.
Welcome back, Ray.
There we go.
You got it! Oh! Ah! Uh-oh, they've got friends.
Look behind you! Not much longer. I'm having serious doubts about the structural integrity of this sub-basement. It's moving again!
Over to the left! pulled the same trick twice. It's a whole bunch of them! The kid has some game!
Oh!
You're hurting! Moving!
I'm telling you, the substructure is unstable. The ceiling could come down on top of us.
Our low probe experiment is working! You're clairvoyant!
No, I saw this before, Collins Buckle. Watch it stream crossing. Now bring it in.
They felt that one in Pittsburgh. Wham!
Two traps. Which one is he gonna go into? Mine.
You're a natural!
Actually, we have a low-carb beer. Where I'm from.
Over there! Oh boy. Creepy.
Those beams went solid.
That's excellent. Good place for the capture stream. Wonder what's down there.
Something big, and more than likely terrifying.
It's really dark down there. Damp, too.
Wonderful. Hope you don't have an open pipes. I'm thinking flesh-eating bacteria.
That's an electric lock on the door.
See if you can find the power.
Great! The recruit found it. I wonder if it's a good idea to be standing in 1.5 foot of water.
That didn't last long.
He's after me.
Look behind you.
On your left! That's it! I can't say I'm a big fan of the level 6 bidimensional attractor.
I'm with you on that. We're lucky there were only some old books for it to manifest with.
Recruit, you okay? Let's keep moving. This is cheery. Nice place. Nothing bad could ever happen in here.
There she is! Flank her! She's got nowhere to run! Except through the grate.
I'm not clear on how the flanking was supposed to work.
Oh boy, burning coal. 2 of them this time.
Yeah, nice, Ray. Tell us again how lucky we are.
I'm sucking at this.
Not much longer.
Come on.
We've got to bag the Grey Lady before this gets really dangerous.
We may have missed that window, Ray.
Well, we can't follow her through that grate. Is there another way? What you find there, young blood? Good work. Spangler, the kid found the exit.
I added something new to the pack. This is the PDS, Plasm Distribution System. Basically, it's Slime Blower Mark II, heavily modified from the earlier version. Your plasm banks are now integrated into the proton pack. It uses a base culture of ectoplasm that can impair entities, cause caustic black slime to go inert, and reveal otherwise invisible ethereal structures that reside on this plane.
To use the slime blower, just point and squirt. It'll help neutralize any active batches of black slime. See? Neutralized slime.
Interesting.
Our own private shortcut to hell. That's convenient.
Eerie place. I wonder if this is where the collector killed the librarian.
I think that would be a safe assumption. That book she's reading is emitting massive energy.
That's your cue, killer. Go get him.
So what? Do I just shoot at her?
She took that pretty well, better than I expected.
It makes perfect sense if her residual spirit energy is tied to the book. The Gozerian Codex, right? Now that we have it, her echo must have been released. She's gone. I think we helped her cross over.
Okay, Sapphire, thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. You have a good night. Get some rest.
And she just crossed right back.
Oh, no.
Bookstands are generating her shield.
Buddy, the podium! Soak them! Soak them! More than I expected. Up there! She is
generate the cage. Keep hitting the book stand. The book stand is generating her shield. Multiple contact! Aim high!
She is shielding herself from the cornices. Blast goes first. That does it. Now let's attack the librarian straight on. Give him the what for.
Aim high!
Hurl capture stream on her!
That's good. Throw out the trap.
Wow, that was fast.
Weird. That wasn't as tough as it should have been.
I was just thinking the same thing.
I was thinking the same
Almost
thing.
too easy. Like
What's
she
this on
wants
the floor?
us to have the codex.
Yes, like she wanted us to blast this room apart.
But why? Cross-dimensional portal. From the 5th to the 4th. A whole world of ghosts. Something I've dreamt about since college. It's all in the Monarchia Demonium. Fantastic. Ghost world.
Wouldn't get too excited, Ray. I have a feeling she did it so we could meet an old friend of hers.
Well, if we're going...
Not much choice, is there? It's the only way out. You, take the lead. Don't worry, we do this all the time.
Oh no! Look out!
So this is what the public library looks like on the far side of a cross-dimensional portal.
It's one of infinite potential configurations. You know, theoretically.
Yes, well, this looks like the Gozerian configuration.
It's true one, yeah, exactly. Not just that, but the story is written by Dan Aykroyd and Harold Ramis. You know, it's weird to know that it was the last Ghostbusters story he wrote before he died. So.
Come on, let's go! All right, keep your head down and keep hitting these portals. One of them has got to lead out.
The scientific method, Ray?
The natives are restless. Well, they're certainly aware of our presence.
I'm on my own now. It is a follow-up to the movies, yes. In fact, they are referring to Gozer and everything. If you are familiar with the first Ghostbusters, for instance, when... hold on, let me get rid of this guy and I'll explain. He's gone. So, yeah. You know how in the first movie, Ray has to think of something. He tells him, think of your destruction, and he thinks of the cutest thing ever, like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, and he becomes the giant thing that destroys New York. Anyway, when he shows up again, Stay Puft, in this game, the first thing Ray says is, "It wasn't me this time, I swear it," you know? So yeah, it is a follow-up to the movie. In fact, they did say, Harold Ramis and Dan Aykroyd did say actually that you can consider this like Ghostbusters 3. The closest thing to a Ghostbusters 3. Another one.
Well, that was embarrassing. Looks like a good place for slime tether. To stretch a slime tether, point and launch the first anchor, then point and shoot the second. The launched slime tether will then contract. The more tethers you attach to a point, the stronger the resulting reaction. Since their ectoplasmic charge has a short half-life, tethers will grow brittle over time and then break. You can blast an existing tether with any other equipment type to destroy it.
Come on, let's do this.
Like a pro! Huh, would you look at that? Heck, we should be able to put that back into place. Ghost world or no, the principle of leverage should still work the same anywhere. Ah, yeah, you're on fire, cadet.
Ray, it occurs to me that these events are interrelated.
The Gozerian exhibit, the huge energy pulse, the Sedgwick Hotel, the return of Stay Puft. Yeah.
Yes, even this. All
You see,
pointing
he
back
said
to
the
a
return
single
of Stay Puft,
point
so it
of
is a
origin.
follow-up to the first movie. And
Alyssa?
the second.
Alyssa.
Oh man, not this again, I'm on my own.
Ray, you still there? Watch out. The mirrors aren't what they seem.
Where am I supposed to go? What am I supposed to do? sure what I'm supposed to do right now. Ah, so the mirrors are portals, kind of. Okay. I'm gonna close all your portals. You won't have anywhere to go. There you are. Can I catch a ghost in the ghost world? Let's try. That took a while.
I've tried this one twice already, so it's gotta be another one.
This dimension is extremely volatile. It seems to be tearing itself apart.
We need to get out of here.
This is so confusing.
Oh no.
Did you see something scary, Ego?
Stairs. Lots of stairs.
Stairs. It's a reference to the first movie. Remember the stairs? They have to go up. Just gonna make a run for it. I don't feel like dealing with these.
The pattern is starting to make sense. I think I'm close to finding the exit.
Uh-oh. I've got bogeys. Heads up, boys, wherever you are. Huh, totally inverted.
Okay, I'm through.
Send a signal we can track you with.
I'll try, but it might not work. The last portal I entered was at the top of a long flight of steps.
Hey, champ. We won't leave until you find us.
Look for the long staircase. The exit portal is at the very top.
This has to be it. Come on, go, 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 go.
Keep moving, sport. We sure don't want to be trapped in here.
No, come backstairs.
Recruit, I had some trouble getting to the portal. Use the slime tether to bring the portal to you.
Come on, stairs, come back. Not an easy game, huh?
Did you hear that?
Wonder if that's the collector we're looking for.
I think he goes by Azetlord now.
Hey, Kenneth, are you okay? Sounds like it's getting closer.
Can you get to that portal at the top of the stairs?
Confused.
I do like what they've done with the place here, but I hope that portal would have taken us back to the library.
Actually, we are back in the public library. The dimensional membrane must be extremely thin here.
Someone's holding us here. The Collector.
Yes, Azetlor wants to add to his collection, and he's probably not too happy about us taking the Gozerian Codex with us.
Oh yeah? What can a twisted little bookworm do to scare us?
He murdered Eleanor Twitty for it when he was alive, and a dozen others just to cover it up.
Hey, Collector! We're taking your book! What do you think about that? He's right behind me, isn't he?
Yes, I think you got his attention, Ray.
Oh boy.
He's resisting my proton screen!
Look, his face is protected by black slime.
That must be the key! Hey, Junior, switch out your nozzle and hose him down!
Neutronize the black slime on his mask.
We need to clear the black slime off his mask. Use the slime blower, kid. It's clear!
Rip his mask off. It looks vulnerable.
Egon, help me hold it open! Yeah, that did it!
Oh no, I think we just exposed his angry side.
Bring him down all the way. Concentrate on the eye if you can. He's got nothing that can resist the proton stream.
Hit him in the eye. We've almost got him.
He's out of control. Blast him in the eye. Look, I think it's working.
Don't question it, Rook. Just blast the glowy part.
Collect some of this, jerk.
Hit the eye with everything you've got. Now! Aim high.
There he goes! High as a floor!
We need to get out of here.
There's a new portal back here. Come on, Rook, that's gotta be the way out.
Guys! Where are you guys?
We did it. Whew.
Where the hell were you guys? I've been running all over this library, calling you, looking for you, nothing.
We passed through a cross-dimensional portal into an alternate version of the New York Public Library and fought a 40-foot monster made out of priceless antiques to steal an ancient magical book.
Oh, well, that would explain it then. Next time, leave a note.
Ray, does this mean anything to you?
Nope, it wasn't here the first time we came through.
What is it?
Not entirely sure, but whatever it is, I think we just turned it off.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Then cross New York style with no visible anchovy.
Maybe later. Right now, I need to go back to the lab and take a look at this codex.
And analyze the data we've collected. It could help us when we go to the museum.
Slice to go on the way? Rookie's treat?
And we need to know what this is.
I'll call for delivery. Again.
So good. Oh, we're back here. I'm gonna go pee. Putting the headset down. Be right back. And I'm back. Let's go.
Well, it's a great read, but nothing about that.
I know that symbol.
How?
It shows up sometimes in Sumerian ritual magic. There's a statue on loan at the museum that features it.
What does it represent?
Just a symbol. Signifies a path to obtain great power. Most of my colleagues assume it's an old constellation.
No constellation I ever saw. And I used to tell fortunes on Coney Island.
Is that right? Did you wear a turban?
No, man. A red velvet cape with moons. It was plush.
Get this. The Codex does indicate there is some kind of feeder system required to channel energy to a destructor form.
A destructor form? Like Stay Puft?
It's entirely possible that system and this pattern are connected.
It's possible.
Wait, you said the Gozerian statuary at the museum is on loan. From whom?
Ivo Shandor, the architect. Well, the Shandor Foundation. They control Shandor's remaining estate and holdings. Ivo is a big collector of Gozerian artifacts.
By Ivo Shandor the architect, you mean Ivo Shandor the genocidal maniac, right?
That's what I was researching when Gozer attacked me. Shandor's architecture firm was involved
I want
in
the
a number of
Ghostbusters
projects
mug like
around
hers.
town in the late
I want one.
early 1900s.
Including Dana Barrett's old building on Central Park West.
You mean the one with the extra-dimensional antenna that drew Gozer to our world so he could attempt to destroy it? Had a nice view of the park, though.
Yes, but he also did some renovations on existing buildings and a number of public
Hey,
works.
Obisus,
There was
welcome.
controversy, because a lot of people thought the work was unnecessary.
Let me guess. He did some renovations on the public library building on Fifth.
Right, and the Museum of Natural History.
Recent visitations, specific localized paranormal activity, singing Vikings.
They're all connected to Shandor and this pattern.
I like to stay quiet a bit during the cutscenes to absorb what's going on. How are you, Obisus? Welcome. Where's he going?
Egon, our new boss, called again?
Please don't call him that. Just Peck. That's bad enough.
Peck called again? He's not happy. He says that if you guys fire just one more unauthorized proton stream, he'll shut us down for good.
Look at Slimer. He just sits there looking at Slimer, crosses his hands. So good. Let's talk to Vigo again. Vigo!
Nobody ever listens to me.
Oh man. Let's go up. Ghostbusters are awesome, and this is the best game ever. When it comes to Ghostbusters, at least. Let's go. Oh, what is this? Oh, yeah. Hang on. Oh, something. From the first movie, remember, Louis Tully, they put that thing on his head? That's it. There's messages here?
You have 13 new messages.
Well, you dodged the bullet this time. Not bad. Not good either, mind
Oh
you.
well, never mind. I love her Ghostbusters coffee mug. I want one. Okay. Looks like it's you, man. Who do I talk to? You? No? Yeah, let me speak to Janine before we go. Nothing. Look busy, Janine.
We should warn the mayor.
I don't know. He's likely to just sick Peck on us even more.
You should get a closer look at the museum.
Well, the mayor's gonna be at the museum for the exhibitioning opening gala tonight. It's where I need to be too.
Ilissa, you sure make work fun for me. Is business casual okay? I don't have a tux.
Are you kidding? He doesn't want you guys within 3 city blocks of the museum tonight. He thinks you make his campaign contributors nervous. Besides, that Peck guy will be at the party too.
Okay, Egon will stay here and finish analyzing the data from the library. The rest of us will go in by the service entrance of the museum and lay low. Peter can attend the party as Alyssa's guest and stay in plain sight of Peck.
And that frees us up to check out the rest of the building.
I love this plan. It's just dull enough to work. Il, I'm gonna bring you a corsage.
Yes, we just arrived at the loading dock. Keep Peck distracted. We're gonna poke around.
Okay, I'll take one for the team.
No sign of the curator. Alyssa told me he'd meet us right here.
Something wanted out of this box in a big way.
Watch out, black slime. Unchecked can eventually open a full interdimensional portal. Open doorway, and anything that wants to can come through. If a full portal has been opened, door's sealed shut. Somebody find the power.
It is the night of the Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters are awesome. Whoops. Is that where the power switch is? I hope it is. There we go.
Good work, Eagle Eye. Look at this. Something's trailed packing material down the hall here.
Packing material and slime.
Was that a possessor?
Maybe. Looked like a level 7 or above, too.
Didn't you used to fight class 2s and 3s every now and then? What happened to them? Pretty easy.
Ah, the good old days. I'm more worried that she'll stir things up around here. I expect we'll see her again sooner than we want to.
I love how that they can tell what type of ghosts they are by just
Hello?
seeing them. He's like,
Who's
is that a
in there?
possessor? How do you
Somebody
know,
that
man?
wants out is who?
Something's inside the box.
Hey, Cadet, get in here and clear this off, please.
Be ready for anything. Possessors are tricky and powerful.
Oh, Dr. Rutherford. Z, meet the assistant curator of the museum.
Is that horrible, terrible
Obvious
thing
is.
gone?
Yeah, she's gone. You good?
Yes, I suppose so. I'm a big fan. I even had you over for my daughter's birthday a couple years ago.
Is that so? Yeah, well, I think we can get you a sticker or button or mug or t-shirt or something when we're done here.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Follow me. We'll go through the restoration department. Don't let it get me.
Don't you worry. She'll have to go through me first.
Can you help him?
Hold him down, young blood.
That's why it's a possessor. You see? These are his people. Let's go. Get in the box. Get in the truck. Welcome home. Come on.
All right! You guys are really good.
Voila! That's fusion-based exorcism in a nutshell. Cleaner than somebody's head spinning all around in barbing pea soup.
Will he be okay?
How you doing, Ray?
How's it buzzing? How's it buzzing? Buzzer was his shit.
Oh, he'll be fine in a second. After you.
Oh no, if this place is possessed by possessors.
This place is possessed by possessors.
We found the curator. We're on our way to the Gozer exhibit now.
There's so much to show you. Where to start? Things have been very strange since they started setting up that exhibit.
Well, hello there.
Dig it, Peter. Ray got possessed again.
Aw, Z!
You'll have to go through me first. That's exactly what he said.
Just like a puppy. Every day's the first day.
Oh, man.
No, no, no! I want the Ghostbusters ejected from this facility immediately.
Where's his honor, Pecker? We've got news for him and a photo op.
The mayor is indisposed right now. Anything you need to tell him goes through me.
Not happening, Peckabee. This is for Jock and Jock alone. We won't wait for him to get...
Security! Remove these men. With excessive force.
Who is it? Why do the good ones always play hard to get?
What in the hell is going on here?
They got picked.
I never got hit.
More possessor ghosts. Kid, you know what to do.
Ray?
Hurts, doesn't it? Let it all out.
I'll see you all on Rikers Island for this.
Whoa, take a break. Do you ever? Oh my God!
Oh, come on.
Dear, get your coat quickly.
They're attacking the guests.
You got one? No!
You that's me. Snuck one past me. Turn around. Stand clear. Stand clear. On the right. Eyes high.
I've said it before and I'll say it again. Uh-oh.
Say that. Get out of here. Ah! Ooh, painful. They dropped that one in Pittsburgh. Ow, freak. Oh! Give it to him.
2 down. Come on.
Up there! What? Stay on it!
above you anymore.
Man, Sting! Ooh, painful.
You made a shot. I've got a hold on it. Hold on! All right, you guys go after Alyssa. Be careful. I'll get to security.
I love this plan.
I'll man the security cameras to triangulate them on the monitors and talk you through.
See you soon, Ray. Let's go, guys.
See you soon, guys. Dr. Rutherford, if you'll show me to security.
I don't think that guy's panicking nicely. It's a mannequin ambush. Don't bother trying to capture him. Just blast him down to nothing. Catch up to them!
That was nowhere near fatal. Let's make some noise.
Hurry up before they get away! Take it to the bridge!
Did Winston just say, take it to the bridge? What are you guys doing down there?
Fewer funny jokes, more getting to the security cameras, please, Ray.
Peter!
Oh, he got away. Get to the temple. Let's roll. Ray, can you see where they went?
We haven't reached the security office yet. This place is really hopping.
Yeah, that's the Big 10-4.
From the 3rd to the 9th century, Maya civilization produced awe-inspiring temples and pyramids. The ancient Maya ultimately developed highly accurate calendars, mathematics, and hieroglyphic writing, along with a complex and social glue. A known subculture of Mayans were devoted to Catholicism. Shards of pottery and various classical period that lasted from 150
Hittite, Mennonite, Phoenician, Babylonian, Assyrian,
Mesopotamian.
Sumerian.
He's making it all up.
Just one of those things. You pick this stuff up, you know, around the office.
Peter, come in.
Hi, honey. How was your day?
Man, we've reached the security office. This one is a shambles. It's been sabotaged. Black slime all over the place. Only a few of the cameras are still working.
When you're free, no rush. Open gate 3487, just for kicks.
Give me a minute. Whoa, we're under attack. We'll get back to
Ray,
you.
stay away from any possession. Dr. Rutherford, if you're still there, can you go catch Dr. Stantz, please?
Okay, I shook off that possessor. Found a different security room. Can't find Dr. Rutherford, though. I must have scared him off.
You're not pretty when you're possessed, Ray. Seriously.
I've got you on the cameras. You should be coming to the Civil War exhibit. Alyssa just passed through there.
Okay, we're on it. Thanks.
I hate this part.
You know the difference between this exhibit and the other ones? The soldiers in this one have guns. Let's just pass through here as quickly as we can. And yeah, I didn't really think we could do it. I was just thinking.
There we go.
I'm getting heavy interference
There's
on
a
the
lot
monitors.
of ghosts
You guys
to
in
catch
trouble?
here, my
Couldn't
goodness.
have been the American Revolutionary War, could it? Maybe they're just drunk, but those barrels are marked explosive.
Okay, go.
Find some cover! Oh, great! A whole mess of it!
What?
Well, look what the new kid dragged in. Look out! Above you! Incoming!
It's really confusing here.
Dang! Find some cover! Wish this trap had a window. It'd be just like a little Vicksburg snowball.
That's 3.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Uh-oh. On your left. Way to go, Greenhorn.
Come on, get in there.
Oh, great. A whole mess of it. Run! You play hardball, Rook. Yo! Find some cover!
That's how you fix ghosts, is it?
Oh! Nobody messes with the kid! Blake! Take that back with the brick! Incoming!
your shirt on. Somebody will show up.
That's it! I've got a hold on it!
7.
On your left! Nobody messes with the kid! Ow! Nobody messes with the kid! Let's see you guys fight it out inside that tiny little trap.
Yep, they took some casualties.
Over 2,000 Civil War casualties have been attributed to
It's such a great game. I love it.
Scooter. We need to go. Let's roll.
We made it to the security office. I can see you guys on the cameras. No sign of Alyssa or her kidnappers, though. In the early 1900s, the museum was run by a board of trustees. Powerful guys, tycoons, captains of industry. The chairman of the board was Cornelius Wellesley of International Steel. The board used the museum as a respectable front for all kinds of dubious activities. Mainly, though, they were part of a club run by our favorite evil architect. They hired women from the St. Nicholas Rehabilitation Mission for Wayward Angels. Rumor has it the board conducted all kinds of nasty rituals using these women.
We've got to find that oozing tub of blubber and Alyssa. Well, here we are, the Egypt exhibit. I practically lived here while I was working on my doctorate. There was less black slime then. And I don't remember the screaming skulls so much. Hey, folks, it's okay. Be calm. Everything's under control.
It's the Ghostbusters! Ghost! Get away! Get away!
Watch it now.
Yeah, of course. The trap locks us in with the ghost. Wouldn't it be nice to get locked out every now and then?
Get your head down.
On the right! Hey, Ray, how do we get out of the Egypt exhibit? The main door is blocked up tight.
The Egyptian main room? Check the west wall. There should be a door leading through to the next exhibit.
I'm looking right at the west wall, and I don't see a door.
Well, I'm looking right at the blueprints, and,
Good. Thank you very much. Now let's get the hell out of here. Where'd Peter go now?
I think I just caught a glimpse of the chairman, too. Watch out for him. He looks like a nasty one.
Why do the good ones always come Scooter, we need to go. Let's roll.
There he is! Let's get him!
That's a whole lot of whatever.
What?
On the right! Light him up! Behind you! Ooh! On your left! Come on! I think we're gaining on him! Man! Sting! Oh! Ow! Ah! Shit! Hey! Oh! Man!
That's what a bruise. Hey, guys, did you find Alyssa? Where did that ghost go?
You didn't see him, but he just came through here.
He must be headed back to the World of Gozer exhibit.
That's our cue. Move it. Thank you. Not the words a rescuing hero wants to hear from his damsel in distress. May I say, your eyes are much prettier when they're not glowing like hot coals.
Peter, I've made an extraordinarily frightening discovery.
Why don't you all go away?
All my data indicate that the ghost world is beginning to push through multiple cross portals from their dimension into ours.
Well, more overtime.
Guys, look.
Now she calls my name.
Block the exits!
Don't let it escape with her.
Hit it with slime.
Winston, get the lady out of here before he hits on her again.
Aim for the big yellow eye.
Who wouldn't like to have that superpower?
Care to tell me why my library, museum, and parade are all going down the toilet?
I keep telling you, sir, the Ghostbusters are nothing but scam artists determined to throw a negative light on you and the city and extort you for more money.
Hello, Peck. I own that suit in blue.
Both of you, pipe down!
Mr. Mayor, an enormous event is on the horizon.
Something at the museum exhibit triggered a systemized psychic occurrence. Some mechanism we don't know the nature of yet.
No, of course you don't.
But it's feeding enormous energy somewhere.
Something that's now in the process of breaking down the walls between our world and another one.
This other world is crossing through into ours. It started with simple ghosts and animated monsters.
Now it's getting bigger. We don't know exactly what's next, but there's only room for one city here in this dimension.
Two physical worlds can't exist in the same space. That's just elementary particle physics.
We got a glimpse of the other world, Jock. It ain't pretty. It's like Brooklyn and the Bronx, with no queens in the middle.
Whole city blocks sinking into a fifth-dimensional abyss.
Cockroaches the size of polo ponies.
Panic in the streets.
How'd you like disco to come back? Bigger than ever.
I get it. We're in trouble. So what am I supposed to do?
We need to prepare the city for the
The
worst.
city's my responsibility, not yours. Now go do your job and stop that thing.
You got a bite on your PKE. Scan around for something paranormal with your goggles. This way, gentlemen.
Well, this looks inviting.
I'll be at the office watching over Alyssa. Don't do anything fun without me.
Alright. I am gonna stop here. I'm getting very sleepy. I'm just staring at the screen. Seconds away from falling asleep. It's 5:50 a.m. right now. Sun is gonna start coming up. So that means it's time for me to go to sleep. Thanks so much for those hanging out here with me. I'll continue this in the next stream. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.